Indulge in an at-home Shiro Abhyanga or Ayurvedic head massage using the Fable and Mane HoliRoots Hair Oil. Taking a moment to warm the oil and indulge your senses in the rich notes of jasmine sambak, neroli, and red champaka. Start by anointing the 4 major energy centers or marma points on the head, starting with Kapala on the hairline, Adipati on the midline, Shivarandhra 2 finger widths behind Adipati, and Brahmarandhra 2 finger widths in front of Adipati. Evenly distributing the oil, tap the head for 1 to 2 minutes from top to bottom, front to back, to increase blood flow and awaken the senses. Holding the head with a full palm and medium pressure will massage all sides of the head, the left, right, and center, front to back. Using the fingertips to create friction for 1 to 2 minutes will move back and forth, up and down the scalp. Gripping the head with fingertips and palms will shampoo the head, ensuring you're gently moving the scalp as you massage to help relax the fascia. Softly grab sections of hair to make a fist, creating a gentle tension of tugging and releasing to help stimulate hair growth. We'll finish by lightly pressing on and between each marma point. You may wrap the head and leave the oil for up to 2 hours for maximum absorption of the nourishing ashwagandha and strengthening dashamul of the Fable and Mane HoliRoots Hair Oil as a part of your weekly healthy hair care ritual.